Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, as always, I need for you to go ahead and make a prediction for what will be on our calendar card for today. Okay, let's go ahead and check and see was your prediction correct? Did you predict that there would be an equation? Now we see a close-up of our calendar card for today. Let's go ahead and make a word problem that matches this equation. We see that the whole is missing, and we have both parts. So my word problem for today is Amber gave 2 pencils to her friend Leah. Now, Amber has 5 pencils. So she gave 2 away and she has 5. I want to know how many pencils did Amber have to start? That would be my whole. How many did she start with? Let's go ahead and write an equation to match. We see the first part is 2 pencils that she gave away and 5 pencils that she has now. And we know 2 plus 5 makes 7. And let's go ahead and keep going with our fact families for this month. And we have the 5 and then the 2 and our whole stays there. I'll actually add it over here too. And we know, here's our subtraction. Oops, that's kind of big. Here's our 7. Let's bring up that 2 and equals 5. And our last fact family for today, 7 take away 5 equals 2. Now let's go ahead and say our date for today. And we know whenever we start our date, we always have to say the day of the week. And remember to say 2021. So let's go ahead. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Good. So let's do it one more time together. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week. And we start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And from our calendar today, we know that today is Tuesday. Now let's read together. Yesterday was. If today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Great. Now, tomorrow will be, what will tomorrow be? If today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, let's keep going, first graders. So we know that when we say our months of the year, we always start with the first month and go to our current. And this time, our first month is our current month. So we know that January is the first month, and I'm going to go ahead and circle that 1. Now let's write our date. We know that we can always write our date 2 different ways, and the first way is with our numbers. So this month, the month is the first month, so I'm going to write a 1. Then today is the 5th, and our year is 2020. But you know your teacher is not going to write all 4 digits. I'm only going to write the last 2 digits, that 2 and that 1. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation for January. And I'm going to bring down the 5 because it's the 5th day of the month, comma, 2020, all 4 digits. Now, first graders, one of my favorite. How many days have we been learning and growing together? On yesterday, we were at 73 days. Today is a brand new day, so let's go ahead and add one more square. Today makes our learning journey 74 days. Miss Kyler has written that two-digit number, 74, and here's how we write 74. Now we know that is a two-digit number, so we have a 7 in the tens place and a 4 in the ones place. And now let's go ahead and collect our coins for this month. We know that a penny is easily spent, is copper brown, and is worth 1 cent. And we know that a dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So, my first graders, we are collecting dimes and pennies for the whole month of January. On yesterday, we collected 2 dimes. Let's go ahead and give our spin a spin here. And we see that there are a total of 4 copper brown pennies. And we know brown pennies are worth 1 cent. Ooh, it definitely looks like we have more pennies. How do we know how many more? All of these extras. These two do not have a partner, so we know that there are 2 more pennies than dimes. Now, my first graders, let's get ready to go on to our class kick assignment. So my first graders, it is now time for you to go ahead and click on that button to go to the next slide to finish up your class kick assignment. Make sure you go through each slide and carefully do all of them. I love you so much and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.